Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by opening the YouTube video in your browser and pausing it. You need a stable baseline. Once done, confirm browser zoom is 100% so controls scale predictably, and position the player in the center of the window. If you use Chrome or Edge, right-click the page and inspect only if needed. You'll rarely need that. Make sure playback controls are visible, then prepare to apply the laptop-level scaling method that changes the entire view, not just the player. Now zoom the content using the browser. Press Ctrl and plus repeatedly to enlarge until the video fills the desired area. If you need more magnification, adjust your operating system's display scaling, Windows display settings, or Mac OS display preference to increase overall UI scale. Once you reach a comfortable size, toggle full screen with F11 or the YouTube full screen button to remove distractions. Make sure controls remain accessible. If they hide, move the cursor to reveal them and refine zoom a bit more. Finish by centering the player and checking playback quality. Higher zoom can reveal pixelation, so reduce zoom a touch if image clarity suffers. Once satisfied, lock the window position and use keyboard shortcuts to pause or seek without changing zoom. If controls disappear or layout breaks, press Ctrl+0 to reset browser zoom immediately or restore your display scaling in system settings. That resolves most problems. Finally, remember theater mode often gives a larger player without full screen. Use it when you need control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.